The role and types of bilge pumps used on ships. Introduction. A bilge pump is one of the most essential pieces of equipment found on a ship. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the vessel's safety and operational integrity by managing the water that accumulates in the bilge, the lowest compartment inside the ship's hull. Without bilge pumps, this water can pose serious threats to the vessel's stability and safety. The functions of a bilge pump on a ship. Removing bilge water. The primary function of a bilge pump is to remove water that collects in the bilge. This water may come from leaks, rough seas, rainwater, machinery cooling systems, or cargo operations, preventing flooding. In case of minor flooding or leaks, bilge pumps help prevent the accumulation of water that could affect the ship's stability and buoyancy. Enhancing safety and compliance. Regular removal of bilge water is important for maintaining dry spaces, preventing corrosion, and complying with international maritime safety and pollution control regulations, e.g. MARPOL Annex I, supporting emergency situations. In emergencies, such as hull damage or ruptured pipelines, bilge pumps assist in quickly removing water and buying time for corrective actions. Common types of bilge pumps used on ships. There are several types of bilge pumps, each suited for different sizes of ships and operating conditions. Centrifugal pump, working principle. Uses rotational kinetic energy to move water. Features: high flow rate, suitable for continuous operation, common use, engine room, bilge systems on large ships, reciprocating piston or plunger pump. Working principle: uses a piston or plunger to displace water. Features: can handle viscous liquids and slurries, self-priming, common use, emergency bilge, or in locations where a reliable suction is required. Gear pump working principle: uses intermeshing gears to move water. Features: compact, good for high viscosity fluids. Common use: auxiliary systems and small bilge lines. Diaphragm pump working principle: uses a flexible diaphragm to pump water. Features: self-priming, can run dry without damage. Common use: small boats or auxiliary emergency pumps. Ejector pump working principle: uses high-pressure fluid to create a vacuum and draw bilge water. Features: no moving parts, uses seawater or steam for motive force. Common use: engine rooms of large vessels, especially where steam is available. Automatic and manual operation. Bilge pumps may be manual, operated by hand or switch, usually used on small boats or in emergencies. Automatic, equipped with float switches or sensors to activate when bilge water reaches a certain level, enhancing safety and reducing the need for constant monitoring. Conclusion: bilge pumps are vital for the safe and efficient operation of all types of vessels. Their main function is to control water accumulation in the bilge area, preventing potential flooding and ensuring the ship remains stable and seaworthy.